Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to wish someone happy birthday with special songs, like you can keep their name in that songs. So how to create that songs, I will show you in my mobile screen. It will hardly take 1 minute for you, and you can download and send it to that person to make them feel special. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So open any browser and search as birthday one, and here you need to select the first website. Here you can see. So now find your name. Here you have to write the name for which name you want to make this song. Click on search. So here you will see 5 name. Select this yellow highlighted one. So now here you can see birthday songs for Rahul. So the birthday songs is ready. If you will click on download songs, this audio will be saved to your phone gallery. So here you can see below the audio is downloaded. Now you can save it and send it to anyone you want to send it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.